Well, folks, it is day 30, the last day of this little project. I'll be finishing up the rough draft of my novel, and I'm on my way to the cafe to write for the last day.
Andres, the writer, in 30 days, he's writing his novel. Andres, the writer, follow along with him on YouTube.
Well, folks, I just finished the rough draft. I'm going to show you the cafe that I just spent writing up a whole bunch of words at. Hold on, here it is. I feel like a weight has been lifted. This was the really difficult part, in my opinion, which is creating something from nothing. I'll give more of an update later. Beer for when you finish all your words. Well, folks, it is day
30.
It is day 30. And folks, I am wearing my pink shirt. The tie is off because I wrote the rough draft of a novel.
Done.
Folks, there are two types of fiction writers. There's the outliner and there's the pantster. The outliner outlines. The pantster flies by the seat of his or her pants. Now, the goal for my writing this month was to be an outliner, which I was until the very last day, which is to say, today. Hold on, there's someone at my door. Well, folks, this is a first, but there is an audience tonight. And boy, am I nervous. Anyway, I was an outliner until today when I became a pantster. Oh, there is more audience coming. This is funny. Folks, not only is there an audience, but I'm being recorded. Meta. Anyway, folks, I did my word count. I filled up 4.5 notebooks, and by my estimates, I wrote 106,000 words. To give you an idea of how long that is, Moby Dick is 200,000 words. That means I wrote half of Moby Dick. That's pretty good. Now, the next steps. First, I have to type all of this up. Second, I have to learn about boats. Third, once I have this typed up, I'll send material to my beta reader. Thank you, Leonie. And I'll use her feedback on my fourth step, which is my editing. Lastly, I'll make a synopsis video of this whole process, and I'll post it here so that you can watch me on loop. Anyway, folks, it's been real and it's been fun, but it hasn't been real fun. Please like and subscribe, and make sure to stay posted on what comes next, because we are taking this all the way to publication. All right, folks, see you soon.